Here I want to take a look at how we can use the metadata panel in a completely different way. And what I want to do here is explore how we can actually use this panel to filter the images that we're viewing and then eventually working on. Well, you notice that I'm in this folder titled FRS. I'm also in the library module, and here what I'm going to do is open up the metadata panel. Now in the metadata panel, you'll notice that there are certain fields with arrows next to that field. Well, what we can do is we can take this view to something, say, like EXIF, where we're just seeing all of this descriptive metadata, and we can focus in on some of these fields. For example, let's say that I want to see the images that were captured at an ISO of 400. Well, if I click on this arrow, it will show me this image as well as all of the other images in my catalog that were captured that way. And what's fascinating about this is I can choose different criteria. Say I want to see the images captured with this particular lens. Well, again, click on that arrow and it will show me that particular selection. There are other fields as well, for example, like this one here, which shows me the file path. If I click on the arrow now, it will then open up my Finder window and it will show me the actual source files on my hard drive. Alright, well, let's close this document window. And what I want to do next is open up the library filters. To do that, press the # key. Well, here you can see that my library filter is now open and I can filter based on metadata. And so what's happening here is as I click on these arrows, it's then updating the filtering option. Now you can see it's highlighting ISO 400. Watch this again as I change this. Here I'll change to the lens 24 to 70 and it's going to show me all of the photographs in this catalog that were captured with that particular lens. So as you can see, you can use the metadata panel not only to learn about your photographs or to add information to them, but you can also take advantage of the information that's already there, and you can then use that to sort or filter your photographs in some pretty interesting ways.